Hey guys, it's Coach Kennedy or Miss Kennedy. I teach business management and I teach principles of information technology. I have business management second period and principles of information technology third and fourth period. Today we ended the first 9 weeks and are going into start the second 9 weeks on Monday. If you are a virtual learner, I have tutorials every Tuesday at 3 p.m. And you can just get into the Google Meet if you need help or have any questions. You can also reach me on my email at skennedy@alvinisd.net. Most days after school, I also coach volleyball. So most days after school, I am in the gym. But Tuesdays are home games, which is what allows me to have athletics and tutorials at the same time. But again, email is the best way to reach me. I usually respond every class period. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you ever do makeup work throughout the year, then just shoot me an email that says, please check this assignment. My syllabus and my week at a glance are both posted on every Google Classroom that I have. Every day I do a daily check-in, and that is for attendance purposes for my AVL learners. For second period AVL learners, you have to post that by 8:50. For any other class, you need to post by 3 because we have to post by 3, and that way it doesn't provide extra work for us. And then also Google Classroom is where you will find your work. We do a lot of work for business classes in something called ICEV, and there's instructions on how to join that in every Google Classroom. And so you just need to make sure that you are completing the assignments in a timely manner. And then my due dates are also posted in Google Classroom. Nice to meet everyone and welcome to Open House.